Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing animation only in PowerPoint, and I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing template. So let's start, and what we're gonna do is open up a blank slide. We're gonna insert the shape right here, and we're gonna go to view and we're gonna insert grid lines so that our shape is aligned very carefully with the perfect precision. So the next thing we're gonna do is duplicate the shape, and we're gonna place it onto top of the first one, and we're gonna duplicate it again like 3 times, and we're gonna insert the same shape of same size, and we're gonna rotate it like flip it horizontally. And the next thing we're gonna do is like duplicate it again about 3 times, and we're gonna place it, and let's remove the grid lines because all of our work is done. Select all of the shapes and remove the outline. Now copy your image, and I'm gonna select all the shapes, go to format shape, and go to picture texture fill and clipboard, and from here you can paste your image into the shapes. So let's change the background color using eyedropper so that the color is perfect for the picture and that it looks really suitable. Let's select this template. And the next thing I'm gonna do is go to format shape and shadows and give this inner shadow to it. Let's increase the transparency of the shadow. And let's increase its size, and we're gonna select the other 3 shapes onto the right side. We're gonna give it like some different kind of shadow, and let's increase the size and the transparency are same as the first 3 shapes. Now select the first 3 shapes and adjust their settings once more. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to animation, select the first shape, and go to line animation, and you're gonna click on left in shape effects. And there you go. Let's give it some timing for its appearance onto the template, and we're gonna go to animation pane, and we're gonna go to more settings. Let's adjust its timing and smooth like coming into the template. And that's what you had to do for this shape. We're gonna select the second shape, and we're gonna go to line animation again. Let's give it some timing, but increase timing from the first shape. Now we're gonna go to animation pan, and we're gonna give it a left shape effect, like animation effect of left direction. And we're gonna give it some more timing from this like panel. Let's close the panel for now, and let's give it some more increased timing. Open the panel again and give the other shape some smooth timing as well. That is coming like very smoothly. Let's select this shape and give it the direction of left as well. And we're done for the like animations of this like side, like of the left side. Now the next thing we're gonna do is select the third shape, and this is the preview of what the animations looks like. Now the next thing we're gonna do is like select the remaining shapes, and we're gonna give them the same direction of left, and let's give it the timing again. Similar timing for all of those. Let's go to animation panel and give it these animations like this. And that was all you had to do. Now let's select the third shape, and we're gonna increase its timing because we want the entrance of these shapes one by one into the template and note exactly at the same time. Now insert a text box and in it I'm gonna write the topic. Let's increase its size and let's select the text and change its color to red. Let's give it shadow and there you go. Increase its size and bold it and change its font to Aharoni font. And let's move it onto the top of the template. And the next thing I'm gonna do is like select the text box and insert a similar text box like this onto the template in which I'm gonna write the text of presentation. Let's increase its size and capitalize each of the words and give it more spacing, like make it really very loose. And let's change its color. I'm gonna use purple because it looks more fit onto the template, but white will be more suitable. Or I'm gonna use yellow for the final result. And for the topic, I'm gonna give it some animations. Let's select it and change its font. And there you go. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is select the title and give it this animation. We're gonna give it this like direction. And we're gonna go to animation pan. We're gonna go and open this panel. And from here, we're gonna like adjust the animation. And that is it, what you had to do. Now, the next thing we're gonna do is preview the animations and it looks something like this. So this is the final result, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more content like this. And you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use.